How to set up proxy in the VMMask with Proxy302. First, let's open www.proxy302.com and log in proxy302.com. Then select and create a proxy. For example, we choose a static IP charged by traffic. We search US in country. Then click the button generated. By the way, Proxy302 supports HTTP and SOX 5 protocol. Click the blue button next to the proxy information to check detail of proxy. This window can quickly copy proxy information. And now, let's start the VMMask. First, click Create twice to create a browser window. Then, customizing the config name, click button Add Proxy IP in the middle. Choose corresponding proxy type HTTP. And paste the proxy information copied from Proxy302. We click the test connection to make sure proxy available, and click Save to save with correct. Now click the first button to open browser that was just created. Wait for a minute. Then create a new tab and turn to this website to test. Detection result is consistent with Proxy302. Proxy connection is successful. Thank you for watching.